Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here with a review of this fancy new item called the Ringke Bezel Styling. Now this has been around for the Samsung Galaxy S3 for a little while now, but they finally got it available for the Apple Watch. Now it's available for all four series of the Apple Watch, 1, 2, 3, or 4. So whatever millimeter size you have, make sure you order the specific one. Now they've been in Kickstarter for a long time. They are supposed to be available, it says online if you order it, you can expect it around June 3rd. So they're $13, which is a pretty good deal. And what this is a special stainless steel ring that goes around the bezel of your watch to keep the surface and the bezels of your watch safe. So you can add whatever fancy accessory you want. You can get your full band, and you can make sure it looks nice, but what if you scratch it? So that's where this fancy Ringke styling bezel protector comes in. So at $13, I think it's a really good investment, and I've been waiting for this to come out for a while, so I'm glad that I finally got my hands on one. They come in a bunch of different colors, which I'll show you here at the end, but what's included in the package is you get this wet wipe that you can clean the screen and your bezel with. You want to make sure you have a nice, clean surface before you put the bezel styling on so it will adhere to the surface. Now, it will pop on and off fairly easily. All that holds it on is just some adhesive on the inside. So on the inside of the bezel styling, you'll see here there's these two little transparent blue tabs, and that's where the adhesive is at. So it's only on the two sides there. So it's not like super glue. It's not something that's just gonna get stuck on there for life and you're never gonna be able to pull it off. Just pop one tab off, pop the other tab off, and then ideally, you get those little blue pieces that tape off of your finger, but I mean, it's nothing to the world. And so the adhesive is there, you take it, put it on the bezel, make sure it goes over the crown, and then make sure you apply pressure around the edges to make sure that it adheres properly, and Bob is your uncle. So it fits really well onto the watch. It's not one of those things like a screen protector where you have to worry about getting bubbles under it and all that stuff. Really, it's just to protect the exterior surface around the edges and the corner of the screen, and plus it's raised up slightly over the screen. So ideally, if you bump your watch into something, it will make contact with that first and not make contact with your watch. It's got the nice little Ringke logo on there too. Whatever they did to put the little fine print down that low, I don't know. But you can see here, it looks like it's hardly even anything on there. And because of the different varieties and the different sizes, you can get one that matches with your individual watch so you can make it look the best that it possibly can. So I think that it looks really nice. It's a really nice accessory, and it's super simple and easy to install. You hardly even need any instructions, which there aren't any in the box. But there's not a whole lot in the box, but you can see here, even from the wrist profile, it just goes so well with the watch and the watch band, and you don't have to worry about scratching up the sides of your Apple Watch or even the watch face. So I think it's a solid grab, especially at $13. I mean, if you spent $300, $400 on your watch, why wouldn't you want to go the extra mile to protect it? So especially if you want to fashion it up and put some cool designer stuff on there as well, because you don't have to get the one that matches the color of your Apple Watch. So you can check them out on rinkestore.com. They have them on sale online a couple other places, but it's $13. You can get it available by June, and you can see that they have the various different sizes there. So that's all I have on the Ringke Bezel Styling. Solid product. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back with you. As always, thanks for tuning in, guys, and I will see you next time.